We've traveled over 20,000 miles and checked off 20 different states in the past year living in our truck camper. There are certain areas where we expect the views to be gorgeous, but sometimes we stumble upon a place that far exceeds our expectations. South Carolina is one of these states, and we're already excited to come back and see more of this beautiful area. I'm not sure if the video portrays the true beauty we experienced here, but hope you'll enjoy it either way. Welcome to Living Large Camping. Hey everybody, we left Columbia, South Carolina, and we headed towards Clemson, where we are staying at Twin Lakes Campground. It is honestly one of the best views that we have ever had camping. South Carolina is very underrated from what we can tell so far. We're excited to show this spot to you and just have a great night here at camp.
We spent last night here as well. We took a break from the camera and just enjoyed a sunset and a nice dinner, just the two of us. And we can't wait to take you guys along for another night here, and hopefully we get another good sunset because we have a perfect view.
We're gonna get our chairs set out and just enjoy some time in this beautiful weather. It's supposed to be sunny and about 80 degrees today, so we're gonna try to escape a little bit of the heat. We may have to get in this lake a little bit later, but either way, we're gonna have a large time.
I wanted to show you guys our beautiful view. What do you think, Frankie? So we have been busy this morning editing and making a new video for you guys, as well as going on a run. This place is beautiful and peaceful, so it was a great way to start the morning. But since it is 1 p.m., we haven't had lunch, so I'm gonna make that really quickly. And we're just gonna make some simple wraps and chips and salsa.
It is starting to get pretty warm out. It's supposed to get to about 80, 81 degrees today, so we're gonna go ahead and put out our new moonshade awning, where we can sit under it and relax in the shade for a little bit before we go explore some of this campground and maybe get in the water later.
Been out here reading for about an hour and it's been really nice, but the water is calm and very enticing looking. So we're gonna go take a dip down by the beach over here, see how cold it is. I have no idea what the temperature, but I think it's gonna be pretty refreshing.
This is great news. It's time for Park to go in. He actually does love the water, but he's really reluctant on getting in by himself, so he just needs our help.
Got it. Since the sun is setting, it is time to start cooking some dinner.
Alright, so we're bringing out all the devices tonight because we are making a rice noodle dish with a sweet chili sauce. We have some chicken sausages, Brussels sprouts, green beans, some leftover pork chop, all kinds of random things, but it's going to be very tasty, so let's get it cooked. First step is to get the rice noodles cooked. We're going to put them in a bowl with some boiling water and let them sit and steam for a little bit. That way they loosen up, and then we'll warm them up at the end with the final dish.
course, while we cook, we have to have a nice glass of wine. And when I say nice, we picked up this bottle from Aldi under $4. And it's not too bad. Just add a little ice and you're good to go. Cheers, guys.
Alright, so this meal looks incredible. It was a lot of dishes and a lot of different things that are going to have to be cleaned later, but we're dumping tomorrow, so we're not too worried about filling our gray tank anyway. We're going to sit here, enjoy this meal, watch the sun drop a little bit, and hopefully we'll have a good sunset later. As promised, we came down here to the landing where we can watch the sunset. Hopefully it's a good one.
I think it will be. Had a really peaceful night last night watching the sunset. It wasn't as vibrant as you guys saw, but it was still beautiful by the water, and it got pretty chilly last night, so we slept incredible.
Yeah, it was a very nice evening. We're really happy to have colder nights right now, and people are already starting to move around this morning, so we're gonna go walk some of the camp loops, check out the rigs, and just show you guys this beautiful campground.
Let's go explore. So just walking the campground, honestly, I don't think there's too many bad views here. 75% have a great water view. There's a couple pull-throughs here, and also I would say the campsites are pretty long, so they are very big rig friendly. As we can see from walking around, there's quite a few big rigs here.
We're definitely one of the smallest campers here, but we like being that way, and I would stay at this park again, absolutely.
We probably will be. I will say though, as nice as these campsites are, I am pretty shocked by the bathrooms, so I'm excited to show you guys that later because I wasn't expecting it.
Let's go. Pretty hilly over here, and people don't realize filming means you get double the steps because you drop the camera and then go back and get it and then go back to where you were. Now time for a quick breakfast. Picked up some grapes, and then we've got some overnight oats and some almond butter to go with it.
Yummy! I figured since we just finished eating breakfast, I would go take you guys for a bathroom review. there are the bathrooms. As you can see, there are 2 sinks, no soap, no hand dryers, just a trash can, 3 bathroom stalls with okay toilet paper, and then there are 2 showers. They just have 1 shower curtain on the outside and then individual shower curtains right outside of the shower. But if you're showering there, I bet it feels pretty uncomfortable when someone else walks in because there's really no privacy except a very thin shower curtain. You do pay about $32 here a night, and the sights are really nice, but I'm very surprised with what the bathrooms are. Based off all of that and the showers being not so private, I would give this bathroom a 6 out of 10. It's very average, clean. That's why I'm giving it a 6, but other than that, I can't give it any higher. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Well, we are going to close out the video here, and we hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us in South Carolina.
We've really loved our time here at Twin Lakes Campground just outside of Clemson. We're actually going to spend one more night here, but we have a lot of stuff to catch up on. We're going to move just one spot over and still have the same great view of the lake.
Yeah, we wanted to take the rest of the day to figure out our route plan since we are making our way up to Michigan for a wedding. That is why we are only in South Carolina for a short period of time, so we really hope to come back here.
Overall, South Carolina has blown our expectations out of the water. I think this state is beautiful. There's a ton to offer, lots of lakes. It's relatively hilly, so it looks like there's more to it than just water, and it's just someplace that I'm really excited to come back to.
It's beautiful. We highly recommend if you haven't been here before.
We can't wait to continue sharing this lifestyle with you guys. So if you're still here at the end of this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you can join us on all of our adventures.
As always, thanks for watching, guys.
Hope you have a large day. We'll see you next video.